Hello, welcome back to my CapCut video editing tutorial. The aim of this video is to help you unravel the tips and tricks that will make your video stand out right here in CapCut. If this sounds like something you are really interested in, which I know you do, I want you to get ready to transform your content with the amazing CapCut features I'm going to be showing you. By the end of this video, trust me, you are going to be a master of this software. Let's do this. The first thing we are going to do is to remove CapCut's default ending. When you open up your CapCut and you import your video, you scroll to your right. Down here, you can see that we have this default ending. You don't want it in all your videos. So you can either manually tap on it, then you tap on delete, or go back and you come to settings. Under settings, you can see add default ending. Then you discard it. So that way, the ending is going to be out of your video. The next on our list is teleprompter. Teleprompter is the device used by all those presenters, to display the next text they need to speak. You know those people that speak big grammars and you think that these people are very good with their grammar. It's not all of them that are very good like that. Some of them use teleprompter. That way they know what to say next. They read it from their screen. Yes, we have it right here in teleprompter. Immediately you open up your CapCut. Above new project, you tap on that teleprompter. Then it's going to display on your screen. If you flip your camera, it can be like this. Then this text, you can move it anyway. When you tap on this, you can move it to the right or you move it to the left. Then the next thing you want to do is you tap on here. Under here, you can edit your text. The text that you are about to say, you edit it and you tap on done. Then you set your time, either 33 minutes or 60 seconds. And your font size, you can change your font size here. The speed of the text, you can adjust it here. The text color, you can decide to change it to purple. So once you are done with all these settings, you now go ahead and go like, you wait for the timing. Hi, I'm CapCut teleprompter and I can help you, blah 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 blah, and there you go. And this brings us to number 3 on the list, which is turning your text to speech or even song. Open up your CapCut, tap on text. The next thing you are going to do is tap on that text. Under here, you will see text to speech. Then you tap on it. You need internet to be able to load all the speech. You are going to pick from any of the available options.
Please subscribe.
Then it's going to turn your text to speech. We have something here, hip hop man.
Please subscribe.
Also, don't forget that this option is also available in your PC. Same way, when you open your project and you type your text, I already have a text I type here. Then you come to text to speech up here. Then you pick from any of the available options. Auto cutout helps to cut out your own initial background. Then you'll be able to customize the kind of background that you want for your project. I'll continue with the same project we've been using. I'm going to import the background that I want. I like this background. Then you add it to your project. Adjust it to fit into the screen. Now you're going to tap on this video and you make it as an overlay. That way you will be able to remove the background and it's going to sit on that background. Once you do it as overlay, you drag it in to the end of to the beginning of your project. You scroll to your right, you see auto cutout, remove background, and wait for the background to remove. It's taking effect already. Now that the background has been removed, all you need to do is to adjust it to fit your video. Adjust it and align it with your main video. And here you have my background being removed, and then I find myself in another background. So this is how to use auto remove in CapCut. This option is also available on your PC. The same way we just did. I have this background on PC is the other way around. Your background has to be on then the video you're working on has to be on top. So I have this background that I will be using, and this is the video. All I'm going to do is to drag my video on top of the background. Then when you tap on the video, you're going to see options. You have basic, here you have cutout. I will explain what this is later, but let's just focus on what we're doing for auto cutout and wait for the video background to be removed. Then you adjust your clip. You can use keyframe to add some nice and amazing effects to your videos if you don't want to use CapCut inbuilt animations. From the beginning of this project, I want it to remain normal. Then towards the middle of the project, I want to zoom this image in. So what I'm going to do is tap on the project and keyframe. Then you come towards here, then I'm going to zoom in. Zoom this in and adjust it. Now let's see the effect. You can see the effect. The image is zooming in. Then towards here, I want it to zoom out. So to do that on your PC, tap on your project the same way we did the other time. Then under immediately you tap on your video, you will see under basic, you will see position. So these are the keyframes. You can use keyframe for position, you can use it to rotate your video, and you can do anything with the keyframe. So let's do the same thing we did on the phone on our PC. You tap on scale, then you come to the middle where you want the video to zoom in. Then you scale it. I'm going to scale it up, and you adjust the clip. Then you bring your arrow again towards the ending. You zoom out. Exactly like that. Adjust your clip. Now let's see the effect. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Rachel helps you to convert your video from a landscape to portrait, so you don't have to shoot several videos because you want to post on your different social media. Same video you shoot for your YouTube, you can also convert it to Instagram video and also convert it to TikTok video. This video is a landscape video. Then all you will do is scroll to your right. You see Rachel is on fit, just change it. Then you adjust your clip. Adjust your initial video, your image to fit in. Just resize it and make it work. Text templates are already animated templates. All you just need to do is change whatever. Once you pick the one you like, change the text to suit whatever you want to use it for, and you are good to go. You don't have to animate it manually or anything. The CapCut has already animated everything for you. For example, tap on text. Under text, you will see text templates. Tap on it. These are all the templates that are available. We have trending, social media, title, for whatever reasons you want to use it for. Then you pick from any of the available options. Let's go to this trending and let's use this one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Then you adjust it. Let's say you want to write your name. Something like this. Probably you want to introduce yourself with a text and you don't want to say it with words. Or you just need to pick from the template and add it to your project, to wherever you want it. It's a good practice to add transition to your clips whenever you are joining two videos together. So even if your viewers are carried away with whatever thing they are doing, that transition will bring them back, and somebody is not just sitting down here and staring at you. So when you transit between one clip to another, it makes your video to be professional and it adds some amazing effects to it. Now, how to add transition is for you to, when you add your two clips, in between the two clips, you will see something there. Just tap on it and you pick from any of them. We have camera, blur and everything. Once you pick on it, Exactly, it's just going to transit from that clip to the other. Number 9, we have lasting text. Its function is to help you span your text. If you have any text, probably you have like your name or something, or a title of something, and you want it to span throughout all your videos, you don't want to type it and then you start dragging it manually to the end of your video. What if you have like a long project? So this lasting tool will help you to drag it automatically without you having to do the work manually. So after typing your text, all you just need to do is scroll to your right. You can see it here with anchor tag. So tap on it and automatically it has added the clip to the end of the video. CapCut music. Remember not to use CapCut music in your videos, because when you use them in your videos and you upload it on YouTube or any other platform aside from TikTok, you are going to get a copyright strike, and you don't want that in any of your videos. So avoid that. You can either go online or to Google and you search for free sound or free music online, then you use them in all your videos. So this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to get the notification on your device. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.